Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie. I'm a chemistry education student at the Islamic University of Sunan Kalijaga, Yogyakarta. In this video, I will present my paper entitled Jigsaw Infused to a Learning Model Increased Student Concentration and Conceptual Understanding of Chemistry. The background of the research include: first, the principle of 21st century learning is that instruction should be student-centered, where students solve problems both individually and in groups, become active students in learning and not passive users of information. Second, one of the challenges of 21st century teachers is to be able to create effective and innovative learning design. One of them is by collaborating learning model with learning media, or packaging learning activities in learning game so that learning is conducive and students remain focused, concentrate in learning, so that student conceptual understanding is optimal. Third, the level of concentration affect learning outcomes. If students are fully concentrated in learning, then student understanding of concept in learning is also optimal. In reality, students find it difficult to concentrate in the learning process and only rely on information conveyed educators. This a serious problem whose impact is prolonged. 4. Based on the result of a preliminary study in one of the high school in Prambanan on colloidal chemistry material, several things were consulted, include the following. 1. The learning model for colloidal material is usually discovered learning by the way students are asked to make a paper, then present. This model is considered less effective because the average learning outcome is only 65.7 of the minimum complex criteria of 75. 2. The discovery model is considered boring because students with above average academic ability tend to be active and dominant. 3. According to students, the discovery learning model is monotonous and uninteresting, so that students are reluctant to get involved in the learning process. As a result, student concentration and focus are diverted. 4. The lack of student involvement in the learning process is one of the causes of low student cognitive learning outcomes. And next, the 5 colloidal material applicable, and there are many concepts that must be remembered. Therefore, a learning model that is fun and involves students a lot is needed so that students remember more concepts, so that the learning process can be said to be meaningful. Based on the explanation of the problem, to achieve the expected learning outcome, it is necessary to vary the use of learning models and media in order to create learning conditions that allow students to remain concentrated, effective, active, student-centered, and fun. One of the cooperative learning models that can be a solution to this problem is the application of the jigsaw type cooperative model. While one type of fun learning media is the tic-tac-toe game, the jigsaw learning model, according to Slavina, is a group learning process where each member contribute information, experience, ideas, attitudes, opinions, abilities, and skills they have to jointly improve each other's understanding of a member so as to improve learning outcomes. While the tic-tac-toe game trains students in playing strategies, meticulous concentration, social skill, and participation in active learning. The jigsaw learning model and the tic-tac-toe game will be fun if put together in one learning activity. To fill the gap of previous research, the study aimed to determine the effect of jigsaw learning model assist by tic-tac-toe game on student concentration and concept understanding. Next, we will discuss the method. This study is a quasi-experimental study using a pre-test and post-test non-equivalent control group design. Grade 11 students from 3 science class at one of the high school in Prambanan were identified as population in this study, and 2 of them were selected as sample, one as the control group and one as the experimental group, using cluster random sampling technique. While applying the tic-tac-toe game integrate with the jigsaw learning model as independent variable. The dependent variable, namely learning concentration, was measured by questionnaire and the conceptual understanding of colloidal materials while analyzed using multiple choice tests. All collect data were analyzed using statistical analysis, Mann-Whitney test for questionnaire data, and test data. The result of the research that has been carried also some findings as follows. One result of student learning concentration hypothesis testing showed that significance to tailored 0.002 is less than 0.05. Mean H0 is rejected and HA is accepted. This means that the jigsaw learning model assisted by the tic-tac-toe game is effective on student learning concentration. 2. Result of student concept understanding. Point 1. Significance to tailored 0.003 is less than 0.05, which indicate that the jigsaw learning model insert with the tic-tac-toe game affects student concept understanding. Point 2. The eigenvalue in the experimental classing 0.480 with moderate criteria and the eigenvalue in the control class 0.126 with low criteria, indicating that the jigsaw learning model assisted by tic-tac-toe games affects student understanding of colloidal materials. Student learning concentration on colloidal material increased through the application of jigsaw model assisted by the tic-tac-toe game. This is because the game-based learning model can change teacher-centered learning to student-centered. According to constructivism theory, learning will be more meaningful if students are more involved in building their own knowledge. The jigsaw learning model in this study can make students more active during the learning process. This learning model requires students to have individual and group responsibility to the existence of expert group and group of origin. The discussion will be serious and conducive because students from the expert group will later explain the part they discussion to the origin group. Students will learn how to work together, take turns, share material, and correct each other's mistakes during the playing process. The teacher should play an important role of facilitator and should always provide guidelines at the right time and situation. Therefore, the use of games in the learning process does not mean that students are allowed to play without direction and without supervision. Play is quite important in education because they will really learn a lot through play. Based on the research conduct, it can conclude that the application of cooperative learning model using tic-tac-toe game significantly improves student learning concentration and concept understanding. The result also suggests using the jigsaw model assisted by the tic-tac-toe game in learning, provided that the teacher can ensure that the class remains calm during the game. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.